In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and customize the chat widget for your streaming setup using Restream. This is a great way to make your live streams more interactive by allowing your viewers' messages to pop up directly on your stream. Whether you're using this for gaming, hosting live talks, or any other type of streaming, the ability to showcase live chat is essential. We'll walk through the steps on how to access this feature and make it as appealing as possible to fit your stream's aesthetic. First, you'll need to log into your Restream account. Once you're in, navigate over to the Chat app, or you might find it referred to as the Chat product page. This is where you'll manage the settings for how your chat appears during live streams. This tool is incredibly versatile and gives you control over how your audience engages with you. Once you're on the Chat product page, head over to the tab labeled Embed in Stream. This is where you'll find everything you need to create that interactive chat overlay that viewers will see during your stream. The Embed tab provides several key components to set up your chat widget effectively. You'll notice a URL for the chat overlay widget. This link is crucial as it's what you'll need to add to your streaming software, like OBS Studio, to get the chat to show up on your screen. Beside the URL, there's also a preview of how the chat will look to your viewers. This is handy because it gives you a real-time look at any adjustments you make to ensure it fits perfectly with your stream's vibe. Now, on to one of the more exciting parts: appearance and theme settings. This is where you can choose from a range of built-in themes. Perhaps you're inspired by popular games. You'll find themes influenced by them, like those from Fortnite or Overwatch. If none of the default options suit your taste, you might have the option to upload a custom style, depending on what's supported. Take advantage of these options to match your stream's branding or personal style. After choosing your preferred theme, you have further customization at your fingertips. Tweak the background transparency, message font size, or scale, among other visual settings, to fine-tune the chat appearance to perfection. Adjusting these settings ensures that your chat is not only visible, but complements the content you're broadcasting. One final step before you're all set. If you plan on using this overlay in streaming software like OBS Studio, don't forget to refresh the browser source or overlay widget. This refresh is important as it allows the changes you've just made to take effect, ensuring your stream is always looking its best. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have an interactive, customized chat widget up and running, enhancing your streaming experience and making sure that viewer engagement is a central part of your broadcast.